In 1964-65, I began my career in our family business that was started by my grandfather, who was one of the early members, founding members of the TMA. It was my pleasure to have met George Rockwood, who was one of the very, very early vice presidents, I think was the title at that time, prior to Tom DiPinto, who followed him. But this was on Laramie Avenue in Chicago. It was really, I believe, the first building or separate office group that was established probably post World War II, something like that. And George Rockwood got me interested in some committee work right from the beginning. I came from college believing I knew a great deal, soon to find out that I knew virtually nothing. Being in a family business is a nepotistic experience where you usually come in as a executive of some kind because dad is the boss. Um, True, and was my experience as well. Early on, it started out as Heinze Petzold Manufacturing Company down at 711 West Lake Street in Chicago. My grandfather had a partner, Rudy Petzold. He subsequently bought him out and formed MP Heinze Machine Company in actually 1925 as well. There was a division that came called Maximite Corporation for tax purposes during the World War II era. And then there were some other holdings that we had in the following years. Um, Essentially, it was a machining company. And then it blossomed into larger machining and metal stamping. And then as the demand was understood by most of its few customers, uh, they got off into other areas where they bought equipment with the assurance that there would be an order or programs that would follow subsequent to that. And I think many of the companies early on grew that way, especially in World War II. The core group of the starting members of the TMA were really downtown Chicago. When my grandfather decided to reach out and locate at Northwest Highway in Harlem, many of his peers questioned his sanity for a couple of reasons. The ever present need for people. And how will your customers get to you? Because many of the purchase order releases came from other companies in the city. Um, Nevertheless, he did. And then the war effort and demand for war production uh, came. Oh, it sort of bulldozed its way into growth, and they were leasing property and buildings all around our company at that time, and got employment up to 365 at the height of World War II production.